Karnataka has widened its food safety crackdown, with inspections now extending to cosmetics. At the same time, 5 KFCSC employees have been arrested over alleged diversion of PDS food grains worth 86.65 lakh rupees. Between August 7th and 9th, 30 teams inspected 60 3-star and 5-star hotels in Bengaluru. Officials seized 1,049 kilograms of unsafe or non-compliant food and collected 77 samples for testing. Expired and mislabeled food, unhygienic kitchens, moldy vegetables, poor meat storage and artificial color violations were among the findings. Kitchens at Sky UB City and Pegs and Bottles faced enforcement action. A notice was also issued to McDonald's Brigade Road over the use of magnesium sulfite to treat used frying oil. The department has now begun checking cosmetics. 9 legal cosmetic samples were collected by drug inspectors, while the assistant drugs controller took 5 legal and 8 informal samples. In the separate food grain case, police arrested godown manager Shiv Kumar and 4 staff members from the KFCSC godown at Ramakrishna-pura in Anikal. Officials found rice, wheat and ragi missing after breaking open the godown, which had remained locked for 3 days. Police suspect the food grains meant for the PDS were illegally sold. All 5 accused have been arrested and the Food Safety Department has said inspections will continue.